Hey y'all, Instinct Survival is coming again with another product review. This time we're doing the Holtzman's Bushcraft Survival Knife or Survival Outdoor Knife. It depends on where you're looking, from Guerrilla Survival. So Nathan Holtzman owns Guerrilla Survival. There's that. Anyway, so what I want to do is I want to actually open this, do an unboxing in front of you, which y'all are used to. But then what I want to do is I want to do a separate video to do some testing, like some serious testing, because I talked to Nathan and I said, hey, look, this is what's going to happen. And he goes, oh yeah, just wear it out. So that's the goal, that's the purpose, that's why we're splitting it into two videos, keeping them short, or at least keeping this one short, and hopefully make it easier for my editors to edit videos as opposed to, anyway. Anybody a video editor? Anyway, so I went ahead and cut the tape at the bottom. What this did is this came actually in a bigger box and it was packaged and it was nice. So there's no dings, no cuts, no busted up edges or anything of that nature. They did a really good job at packaging this. So especially with us living out here, I've seen some boxes falling apart. All right, so like I said, I went in and cut it. When I did that, what I did realize is that, yeah, it's magnetic. So got a nice closure on it. So it makes a very good gift box. With holidays coming up, makes a very good gift. And then, or if you just want to send me one that's not in this box, then that's fine too. But before you do that, let's test it. All right. Don't send it to me just because, right? All right, so let's open it up like a book. And right. So warning, if not properly maintained, your knife will rust. How to properly care for your 1095 high carbon steel knife. Hone, cleaning, and sharpening with a stone. So good job. Should be already sharp, but there's that. Watch out, it is sharp. That's what it says on the site. If you do buy a 1095 carbon steel, please, please, please maintain it like you're supposed to. If you're not going to do that, you can send it to me. I'll take care of it. You just won't get it back. And then the other side of it is or buy stainless steel. Don't send it to me when it's already rusted, like somebody already know. Anyways, can you tell it's been a heck of a... Anyway, got foam sail padding in there, so that's good. Free gift. Let us know what you think of their product and Facebook page, and we'll send you a free gift. Got the tag, the handles for that, and then thank you from Holtzman's Guerrilla Survival. Contact us if there's any products. Yeah, check it out. They're on Facebook, they're on Instagram. So there's that. All right, I'm gonna put this stuff down because I want to show you the box itself, what it looks like and how it's packaged. All right, so first and foremost, you've got two of your silicas. So that's nice. This is a closed foam padding with cutouts for each item. So that's pretty cool. Let me get you the look at one more time. Cover up my ugly mug. All right, let's look at what's in the box, right? So with it being an unboxing, we have paracord. Is it 550? I don't know. So we'll find out, maybe. I may cut it and do that. To me, it's not that big of a deal. For this. A wrench with a Phillips screwdriver and a hex head. And we'll get into why that's in here. You'll see it on the site, but I dug a little deeper to find out some of the information, but it's for the sheath. And again, we'll get into that. This is the striker. Oh, nice. Got the same liners and scales as your knife does. And it's supposed to match the Ferro Rod. We'll look and see if the liners are in that. I can see the scales are the same. 90-degree spine, no matter which way you turn it, and the hole for your lanyard. Ferro Rod. Yep. Liners, scales, all the same. And then that is shock cord. So that's good as well. Let's get to the sheath and then we'll get to the knife, okay? All right, so the sheath, Kydex sheath, hole in the bottom to drain That's nice work. Looks good. Yeah, really nice. Nice. All right, so what's on the sheath itself? So first off, you've got this loop, and it's got a snap on it, so you can use it as a dangler, right? Or just let me run it up real quick, and so use it as a dangler. It doesn't dangle far, but there's your first step. So that's cool. Again, sheath for locking it in. The ferro rod holder on the spine edge of it, so that's nice. And then this is to hold your scraper. Now, let's get into why we have that wrench. If I don't want the scraper there, then I can pull it off, right? So this makes it for you. It's an affordable for you knife so that you will use it and not have to worry about how somebody else actually designates it, right? So you can take that off in case you want to attach your scraper to the ferro rod, or use the spine, which is supposed to be 90 degrees, or use the spine as a scraper. So it's up to you. And if you have a different ferro rod, maybe you're using a wazoo necklace, then you can pull off the ferro rod if you want to. So it gives you a lot of different options, a lot of different combinations as far as how to do that. Now on the back, you get a nice little Tek Lok type attachment point, and what that's going to allow you to do, for those that don't know or haven't dealt with Tek Lok before, it lets you go any direction you want. So I can put it as vertical. I could do it as a dangler, which we already saw. I could put it vertical. I could put it horizontal. I could put it horizontal the other way, blade up or down. It's up to you. Or I can even do it upside down, or hey, I can do it at an angle. Totally up to you, because again, your knife. So there's that. Nice job, Nathan. That's solid stuff, man. All right, anyway. I'm hoping he's watching the video. All right, so let's pull the knife out. I'll drop everything else, and let's look at the knife. First and foremost, it's got a nice weight to it. And this is a plastic bag, so that doesn't change it a whole lot, right? All right, so first we see the Gorilla. We do see it is marked at 1095 high carbon steel. It is full tang, and you saw the orange liners and GT scales. You've got nice little attachment point should you want to do that. And then this is, we're just gonna have to deal with it, folks. I've already taken this video 50 times, actually more like 30, but a lot. Anyway, it's a piece of plastic. It's not tape, so I'm just pulling it a little bit. And it's got machine oil on it. Yeah, not sticky. So that's good. It's got machine oil on it to take care of it while it's shipping, and of course not to rust. So how do you take care of your high carbon steel products? Right? All right, so holding it, very nice. I wear an extra large glove, and with that extra large glove, and if you want to get to specific sizes, extra large neoprene gloves work. Neoprene gloves fit perfect, right? No extra, no less. They fit perfect. All right, so that gives you kind of a reference point. All right, so fits nice here, nice there. Yeah, roll it around in my hands. I don't feel any rubbing. Yeah, no, that's nice. It's nice and smooth. Nice fat edges in the middle. It does have screws, so you can pull it out if you wanted to replace the liners. Keep in mind, they've got options. Nathan's got options on the site, so you may not want to do that. You may just want to buy the other ones, one of the other ones that fit more your style. I think they had a green one, green liners. I think they had gray liners. I don't remember. So there's that. All right, it's got a thumb and finger groove, and then last but not least, you've got your 90 degree. Oh yeah, that'd probably take some of the coating off of it, but it's 90 degree. And then it's got some jimping on it, and it's not sharp. It's not sharp jimping, so that makes it nice. Not gonna burn out my finger. All right, so I want to test two things before we close this out. I know I'm going to do a testing video, but I want to test two things real quick. First, let's do our ferro rod with the blade. Sorry, with the spine, with the actual knife. I'm just getting some of that coating off for those of y'all that have not used one before. All right. Oh yeah. Now, you're not burning down a house with it, but it will. It's got enough sparks. I don't know if you can see it with the light, with the sun, but it's got enough sparks that you can start your fire. Again, I can already see it wearing off some of that coating. That's what I would do to make it better. Is I would go in and start taking off some of that coating, knowing that I'm going to have to take care of the blade anyway. But that's going to give me a better strike as it is. The second thing I want to try. I'm in the woods and I've got no sticks. Let's see what we got here. Alrighty. Alright. Let's test the sharpness, shall we? Feather sticks, anyone? Oh my. Yeah, I'm using a thumb push for those of you that care. I'm not doing long strides, long strokes, but you should be able to see that. Got some nice feathers, and again, I'm not doing long ones. I just wanted to see what we've got. So there's that. Hey, just first impressions, love it. Nice and heavy, feels good. Feathering feels nice, so we're gonna go put some tasks to it. Put it to some tasks. Give it some tests, and we'll see if Nathan cringes while we're doing each one of them. I don't think he will, but you never know. I've seen some manufacturers or blade makers that are like, no, don't do that. Anyway, oh, by the way, this one cracked me up. I just gotta put it in there. For the haters or lovers out there, on the video, the promo video, he shows, ready? Batoning. So, hey guys, it's your knife, whatever you want to do with it. I'll put all the description of this, the dimensions, everything down below in the comments. And then again, look for the second video to go through testing. I want to make sure that this is short enough for my editors to do their magic. Anyway, point of contention. Anyway, hey guys, thanks for all you do. Thanks for your likes, comments, subscribes, and shares. And until then, use your instincts to survive. Thanks for watching. Maybe I should do a gorilla. Yeah, anyway. That's nice. Left, right-handed.